have a hand to pluck. That's a Norwegian saying, meaning that I have some unfinished business. Before I start today's video, I have a hand to pluck. That's a Norwegian saying, meaning that I have some unfinished business with two YouTube ladies. Bella from Bella the Design and Liz from Traditions by the Seasons. If you're new to my channel, I live in Norway, and if you know a little geography, which I don't, but anyway, Norway is a country far up north, and me and my forefathers, the Vikings, we have been struggling with snow for most of the year. So when it finally becomes summer, we hold on for dear life as long as we can. And the hen I have to pluck with these ladies are that they are now decorating for fall. Fall has been my least favorite season to design for because I don't like orange and I don't like yellow. At least not in decorations. And now what has happened is that these two ladies are decorating so lovely that I too want to decorate for fall. And in Norway in August there is not an orange or yellow decorations to see. There are no pumpkins, no nothing, and I'm trying to hold on to summer for as long as I can. I'm just kidding, of course. If you don't know Bella and you don't know Liz, go and check them out. They are decorating. They are putting up the most wonderful fall decorations. Hi guys, today's video is another summer video. I know it's late August, but as I said, I'm holding on to summer for as long as I can. You know, being a YouTuber in Norway and doing decor is sometimes a bit challenging because here we are very traditional when it comes to seasons and decorating. I saw Daveda, my American sister. Sorry, my husband is working on the phone. I saw my American sister Daveda Lane. Go and check her out if you all don't already know her. I'm sure most of you do. But she was shopping Christmas decorations and said that they would be on sale anytime. That's another world for me. In Norway, you have to wait until the last week of December, I think, before you see anything Christmassy on sale. And Christmas decorations maybe the second week in November, but certainly not in August. So it's a bit difficult to keep up. So there'll be coming a few more summer videos from me before you see anything fall. But I hope some of you are like me and holding on to summer, and that you can still find some inspiration in the videos I make about summery things. Okay. If you watched my video from my vacation, you may remember that I promised you a DIY of something I found in a shop at Hvaler. It was a display, it was what they call Hvaler thermometer. That means Hvaler I'm sorry, I can't say it. Thermometer, and it cost 1,200 Norwegian kroner. That's about 120 pounds, a little bit more in dollars. So I decided I wanted to make it myself. So today I have been out shopping. I've been shopping rope and finding, taking out what I bought and collected at Hvaler, and that's today's video. Okay guys, so we're just jumping right into the video. This is what I have to work with. When we were at Hvaler, we collected some shells. Of course, I managed to break half of them. And you see, I have already started to think about ideas. I also bought these seagulls. There are some small and some a bit bigger. And then I have been out buying rope. This, you can see, compared to my hands, it's pretty big rope, and a pack of a bit smaller. And I have some driftwood. And I, as I showed you, been out shopping for thermometers. It's a difficult word. And of course I could only find this large one. It's 41 centimeters, that's almost half a meter, and actually at least twice as big as the one I wanted. So I have not decided yet what I want to do, but I'm thinking maybe I will make a heart of driftwood, not like the one I've done with the pallets, but a bit different, and see if I can get that to work. So I'm going to work a bit on the design, and I'll come back and show you what I have come up with. Okay, so I think I have the final design, something like this. So, and I'm going to put those here as well. So now it's just a job of putting it all together. Okay, so my husband have screwed and glued the two boards together, and I have cut it to make a more even edge at the top. We just, I don't know if you can see, sorry, my camera stopped. There's one screw there and one there and one inside here. So just screw them together. You could just put a board over here and screw the two boards to that. Yeah, but we went another way. So now to find a solution to put the rope on. So I'm sorry about the noise, but I hope you can hear me. For the rope I use screws. I screw it into the rope and I glue, hoping that will hold. And that is my thermometer, my coastal thermometer, all done. I think it turned out beautiful. Only thing I wish is that I had put that seagull a bit higher, but, and I tried to get it loose, but it's stuck, so yeah. Okay guys, so I think I'll just end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got inspired and that maybe you too will try to make a Hvaler thermometer. It was quite a lot of work, but I think it turned out beautiful. Have a fantastic day and a wonderful week, and I hope I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!